Hello. A quick video about Blender camera and zooming issue. I have seen these UV spheres. Some of them are scaled 50 times or more. Now if I try to zoom out, as you can see, I can't see these objects anymore, or only a part of them. To fix that, press N button, and in the clip and tab, increase the number. Number depends on your scene. In this case, I'm going to increase this number by 0. As you can see, it is enough for the scene. Everything the same if in your scene objects are very small. Just decrease the number of clip start. Another issue, if I want to make a render, let's try to press Ctrl Alt and 0. In this situation I can see anything. So what to do? If I try to enable camera to view mode and try to zoom in the object, it appears on the screen. To fix that, just select the camera and in Object, Data Properties, just increase the number of clip end, and now I can render my scene property. Thank you for watching. See you!